Hey guys, welcome to our next tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to see a new function, AVERAGEIF. Hope you have already seen my previous tutorial on average function, where I have already explained how average function works. Now we are going ahead to see how AVERAGEIF function works. So, syntax of average function is given by equals sign average if bracket open range comma criteria comma average range. This I will tell you, this is an optional range or the optional one which you can use it further for some of the advanced functions. We will check it out in our further practical experience of the formula. So basically why this AVERAGEIF function is used, or where this AVERAGEIF function can be help us an advantage. Let's say you have the range in which you have numbers, okay, and you have to check the average or calculate the average for certain criteria. So whenever you are going to calculate the average based on certain criteria or condition, this average function will help you in that. So we will understand how average function will work, AVERAGEIF function will work. So AVERAGEIF allow us to calculate the average of a range of values based on certain criteria you define. So you have to provide a criteria, accordingly the average of that particular data will be done based on criteria. So hope you are understanding this and I hope you are with me. So range, these are the numbers or the cells. This will be the numbers or the cells you want to check against your condition. So you will be giving condition and this condition will be checked into this range. Next is the criteria, that is the condition on which you have to find the average. So this might be the number, expression, text that defines which cells will be included in the average. Okay, so this might be very much difficult to you to understand right off now, but when we see the practical example of this are going to see, so that time you will be getting clear idea. So next is the average range. This is an optional. It's the number you want to average if they meet your criteria. Okay, so let's say for example you want to add the average into some column and there is a condition which you have to check is into another column and you have a criteria. In this case, this argument will come into picture. So before wasting time, we will just get into our practical calculation of average. So we have taken two questions here. The first question is to calculate the average of total cell category wise. So we have this table. This table has the data. That data is order ID. There is a date, region, there is product on which this particular sales has been taken place. So this is a sales data category wise. We have a categories into this cell. We have quantities that are sold. We have price units into this column. We have total sales against this particular unit sold, okay, on the rates. So the question is total sales. We have to calculate the average of the total sales. This is the total sale category wise. So we have this category in this column. So we have told to calculate it. So first of all, I will take a basic example in which a small condition is going to work, and then we will come to these questions. So we have taken an example that we have to calculate the sales, okay, sales greater than 100. So what will be the formula? So as we previously seen the formula, that first of all you have to give the formula average. So we will select it from drop down, okay, average if. Now it is asking us for the range. Now we have to give a range. So I want to calculate greater than 100 in this particular data, okay. So range I have given it, and the criteria is greater than. So note here you have to give double quotes, you have to write the condition greater than 100, double quotes close and bracket close. So this is the condition, here, which is equal to average if is the function we are going to use. H2 to H11 is our range in which we have to check this condition, we have to check this condition. So this condition is greater than 100. So we will hit enter. So this is the result, that we are getting. Here is the average of this total sale, okay, average of this total sale which has greater than 100, okay. We will take another example as well. In this case what we will do is we will take this 10,000 as the, okay, 10,000. So we will see average of 10,000 on the based on condition of 10,000. So here I will give 10,000. So what will be the result? The result will be, okay, the result will be such that it will average all the sales data which is greater than 10,000. So this we will select, okay, this we will select. So in this case total what we will see is this will be excluded, 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 okay, this will be excluded, okay, this will be excluded. So we will having this and this, okay. So the data or the formula that is calculating the average greater than 10,000 will be only for this particular sales. So you are seeing here, okay, you are saying 12350. So this function works. Now we will also see category wise or the condition based. There are some 2 conditions also, we will see that also. So in this case we have told to identify the total sales category wise average. So equals to average if bracket open, if we will select average if. So this is asking the range. So what will be the range? Where you have to check the condition will be the range in this case, okay. So I want to see the data category wise, okay. So this is my range, okay, this is my range, comma, and I want to search this category, okay, in this particular range. So I will give double quote, okay. Now I will get this automobile first of all, okay, like that, hit enter. So there is some glitch, okay. Now the third argument we have to give, from which it has to give the data, let's hit enter. Now in this case if you see, okay, function, so A to E11, that is this E to E11, this the category, that is range. In this range it will search wherever there is automobile, okay, where there is automobile, and then in H2 H11 it will average that particular values against automobile. Okay, so this value will be taken, automobiles this value will be taken, automobile this value will be taken, automobiles this value will be taken, automobiles this value will be taken, and it will average it out. So what will be the reason? Okay, so we will check it again. Okay, this and this. So the average is 11410. Okay, so same here 11410. This is what we have get. We will also identify in another way. Let's say I have a grocery here. Okay, grocery here. Instead of direct writing the text into the formula that was written in automobile category, when we are calculating the average, we will now here we'll select the cell. Okay, so equals to average if bracket. Okay, so I will give you again range, that is category range. Okay, comma. Now I will instead of giving directly retaining grocery here like this, I will give the range. Okay, so this range that is under this. Okay, I will give this criteria, not range, the criteria cell, comma, and this total sales. Okay, in the average range, the range where we have to get the average. Okay, range of which averages, and enter. So this. Now what happens in this formula is, okay, we will see this is the category range where we have to check the condition. This is my condition, that is grocery. Okay, grocery, it has to identify the grocery. Okay, search for grocery. Once this grocery condition is checked and he finds that grocery, okay, he will take that particular sales from the sales column. Similarly for this, so on, and it will return us the result into after that formula. Okay, here. So we have 2, 5, 6. We will check it out. We have grocery here. Okay, we have grocery, this particular cell, grocery cell, here grocery cell. Okay, again one. Okay, this is. Okay, so what is the value average? So average is 2566. Okay, so this is what the first answer calculated. Yes. Okay, now there is another question for calculating the average of total cell region wise. Okay, same thing, only the thing is we have changed our range where the criteria has to get it satisfied. So we will do it. We have region in this column. Okay, region in this column, we will check it. Okay, equals to average if. So if will act as a criteria, like, so range, that is region, comma. Okay, now what I have a criteria, that is north. I will type north. Okay, and what it has, where it will average in this particular column, it end. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 5. For the west, so again average. Yes. Okay, then region. Okay, comma. So now I will give condition from this cell, comma, and the average set range. Okay, and you will see here what happens is we have checked the average for west region. So for this, west is in this region column. Okay, so he has identified wherever there is a west, he has averaged out that particular sales and returns the data into this where we have written the formula. Okay, so we have also identified this question answer. So hope you guys you understand this average if function very well. Hit like, share and subscribe. This will help me to bring such more contents for your knowledge and boost your data analytical skills. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.